please rejoin fast for this session. We will discuss next problem. I will give you the digits of that problem. And RCC beam 275 mm wide. You can note down this next second problem, those who have joined the session. So this is your problem number 2. Please note down the problem and try to solve it. An the RCC beam 275 mm wide, 400 mm deep, and length 4500 mm is reinforced with the four number of 12 mm bars placed in one row, out of which two are straight and two are bent bars. Two anchor bars are placed at the top of 10 mm dia. 6 mm diameter stirrups are used at 120 mm center to center. The overall clear cover provided for this beam is 25 mm. Calculate the quantity of steel and prepare the schedule of reinforcement. So this is your second problem that you have to solve. I will give you 7 minutes to solve this problem. It's 11:23. So at 11:30, everyone will going to give me the answer for this same. Okay. So try to solve it. Just tell me the answer. What is the answer which will come? Everyone, please calculate the answer and tell me. Are you getting the answer? Have you got the answer for this problem? Please tell me what is the length of straight bar, length of bent up bars, length of the anchor bars, then length of stirrup, number of stirrups, and total quantity of the steel in kg. 5 digits I want, 5 readings I want. I will ask randomly. Mm, Shweta, what is the length of main bar or length of straight bar? First, you are going to tell me. Then Sakib, roll number 45, will tell me the length of bent up bar. Samarth will tell me length of anchor bars. Subhash will tell me length of stirrups. Roll number 17 will tell me the number of stirrups. And to whom? Mahesh Bharti. Roll number 31 will tell me the total quantity of steel that is required. Chalo. Please respond. Those who have solved the problem, please respond in the chat box. I am waiting for your response. Tell me the answers. Total weight is 33.94. 33.94. I have to check whether it is correct or not. Okay. Others, please respond. Everyone getting the answer? Length of straight bar is 4666 mm. Bent up bar is 4960 mm. Okay, everyone please cross check. I'm getting the answers. Length of straight bar is 4666, correct one. Length of bent up is 4960, again correct one. Length of anchor bar is 4630, good one, good one, good one. Number of anchor bars, sorry, it's the stirrup length and number of stirrups that is remained. Stirrup length is 1294, okay, and number of stirrups are, how many number of stirrups? Number of stirrups are 38. Okay, good one. Good one, good one, good one. You are responding. Everyone is giving the answer. That is nice. Okay, so I hope everyone has done this problem. So we will proceed for the next one. Everyone is getting the answer. I'm happy you are responding. So this is the next problem. Okay, that has been there. An RCC beam, you can note down this problem also. An RCC beam 230 by 300 mm and length is 3 meters is reinforced with 3 number of 12 mm main bars placed in one row. Out of 3, 2 are straight and 1 bar is bent up. In addition to this, 2 anchor bars of 10 mm dia are provided at the top. 6 mm stirrups are provided at 150 mm center to center. Clear cover is 20 mm. Calculate the quantity of reinforcement. Okay. So again, you have to solve this problem. Again, this is unsolved problem asked in the examination. Okay, previous examinations. Please solve the next problem and tell me the answers for the same. Everyone getting the answer for the second problem? Length of straight bar is 3176, anchor bar is 3140, stirrup length 1004 mm, and stirrup size 21 numbers. I will just cross check. Length of straight bar is 3140, correct? Okay. Then bottom bars 3176, correct आहे. त्यानंतर bent up barची length double 394.4 mm. You can calculate. Stirrup length is 1044. One, not 1004. Huh? Please check your calculations. And number of stirrups will be 21. That is correct. Okay. Total weight of the steel which is required. Total weight of steel for this particular problem. Please. Total weight of steel which is required. Everyone, please. Calculate the total quantity of steel that is required. Everyone, please calculate the quantity of steel that is required for this problem so that we will proceed further. Total weight of steel is 17.29. Please check your answer. Total weight of steel is 17.29 kg. Please check your answer. If you are done with the problem, I will start to mark your attendance. Okay, I have noted your attendance also. Now, if you are having any problem, you can tell me regarding these problems, column, slab, or the beam problems. Otherwise, we will go for the problems of the footing, how to calculate the quantity of reinforcement in the footing, as well as the your foundation members. Okay, it may be a raft or mat foundation. A big problem will be there. Okay, how to calculate the quantities of the steel. Only around how many minutes are there? 50. 13 minutes are left to conclude this session. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. You can unmute and you can talk, or you can put it in the chat box. जे प्रॉब्लेम आपण आज डिस्कस केले त्या प्रॉब्लेम समजलाय का? कुठल्या स्टेपमध्ये काही डिफिकल्टी, समजण्यामध्ये काही डिफिकल्टी? If you are having any difficulty, please let me know. You can put it in the chat box also. Does anyone is having any difficulty? Please let me know if you are having any difficulty. You haven't understand any step. कुठली स्टेप समजली नाहीये किंवा काय? Please let me know. I will take the next problem. Okay, I will check whether it is available with you. I will share. Don't worry. Wait for me. Okay, you can note down this next problem, that is of the footing. Find, I will just correlate. Find quantity of 10 mm diameter reinforcement in the footing shown in the figure and prepare the schedule of reinforcement. And prepare the schedule of reinforcement. Now this is the problem which is related with the footing, that is calculating the quantity of footing. See, the diagram is given. You can draw the diagram for your ready reference. And we will start with this problem. There is a footing having the size of 1200 mm by 1200 mm. Okay, 1.2 meter by 1.2, that is 1200 mm. 10 mm diameter bar is used. Then spacing is nothing but 150 mm center to center, and that is both way. It is been clearly mentioned. Okay, clear cover. Now it is as it is a footing. So what is the clear cover? You can take the clear cover as around 50 mm. Okay, so that is being assumed in this particular problem. So clear cover for this footings problem is 50 mm. Now how to calculate the length of main bars? So length of main bar, again our regular formula, that is for the straight bars. I will use the pointer so that you will understand. See, length of main bar. This is your main bar. Have you seen this hook is been there? Okay, this is nothing but your length of main bar. How to calculate this length? Again, use the simple formula. That is length of main bar equals to length minus the clear cover plus 18 into diameter of the bar. Length is 1200 mm. From the diagram you can easily identify it. Length is 1200 mm. Clear cover is 50. So 2 into 50. Okay, 2 into 50 plus 18 into diameter of that straight bar is 10 mm. That is given in the problem. So length of main straight bar is 1280 mm. That is 1.280 mm. Then number of straight bars that is been required. Now how to calculate this number of straight bar, which is mentioned over in the next one. So number of straight bar will be equals to span minus clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. That is this. Already we have discussed this formula in our previous problems also. So total span is 1200 mm minus clear cover is 50 mm from both the side. That is 2 into 50 divided by spacing. So see the spacing to 8.33, that is around 9. Okay. Now our next step is to calculate the length of distribution bar. Next step is to calculate the length of distribution bar. So what will be the length of distribution bar? It is same as main bar. Why? Because footing is square and it is having the same dimensions, 1200 mm by 1200 mm. So length of distribution bar equals to, again formula will remain same, length minus clear cover plus 18d. Length is 1200 mm, clear cover is 50 from both the side, plus diameter is 10 mm. So 1200 minus 50 minus 50 plus 18 into 10, that is 1280. So length of distribution bar will again remain same because footing is a square footing, as you can see in the diagram. It's a square footing having the size 1200 mm by 1200 mm. Okay, if it is different, then you need to calculate it separately. You need to calculate it separately. So again, number of distribution bar will be again same. So total bars that are used are nothing but 18, that is 9 plus 19. Length is 1.280. Total length will be 23.04. Diameter of bar is 10, so weight is 0.62, that is d square by 162, and total weight is 14.28. Okay, so it's a simple formula, 4 mark, which is asked in the problem, uh, which is asked in the examination. So you can note down this simple problem so that in the our next lecture, upcoming lecture, we will go for the uh, a big problem of the footing. Okay, preparing the BBS of footing, having the different sizes, because here in the problem it's a square footing and a very simple problem which is given. So it is just for understanding purpose. Okay, so you can note down this problem also. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can put it in the chat box, or you can unmute and you can talk. Else you can note down this whole problem, and we will discuss few more variety in our upcoming lecture. I already noted down your attendance for this lecture, so you can note down the next problem of the steel reinforcement. Please note down this problem. Still 3 minutes are left to conclude this session. So you please note down this problem, and in the next lecture we will go for the new problem of the footing. Once again I am repeating, still if anyone is having any doubt, please unmute and you can talk, or you can put it in the chat box. I will resolve your all queries. जर कोणाला समजलं नसेल तर परत एकदा विचारा, आपण परत एकदा तो प्रॉब्लेम परत एकदा तुमची क्वेरी रिझॉल्व करूया. आणि पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये परत फुटिंगचे काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आणि कॉलम्सचे अजून काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत, आणि त्यानंतर आपण हा युनिट एंड करणार आहोत. Please unmute and you can talk if you are having any doubt, or you can put it in the chat box. Okay, less than 1 minute is left to conclude this session. So if you are having any doubt, again, you can put it in the chat box, or you can talk with me. So I will conclude this session at this particular time. Thank you for patiently listening and attending this session. Take care of your parents, family members, and yourself. We will meet tomorrow at 10 a.m. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.